Now today's topic is synthesis and mechanism of pyrrole. I am discussing now about the what are the mechanism and what are the synthesis of pyrrole. I am discussing about this topic by the request of my students of pharmaceutical. This topic is based upon your chemistry reactions and mechanism, and also it is beneficial for the pharmaceutical students. So before discussing about the synthesis and mechanism of pyrrole, let's discuss about the structures of pyrrole. What are the structures? Structure of pyrrole. The structure of pyrrole is like this. Here bond NH. The structure of pyrrole is like this. This is structure of pyrrole where 2 nitrogen atom is attached and 3 carbon atom is attached. In this structure, there are, here is the 1 carbon atom, here is another carbon atom, and here is another carbon atom. These 3 carbon atoms and 2 nitrogen atoms all are sp2 hybridized. All are sp2 hybridized structure. And before discussing the synthesis of pyrrole, let's have a view on the structure of pyrrole and structure of pyridine. The structure of a pyrrole is this is the structure of pyrrole, and the structure of a pyridine is this is the structure of a pyridine. This is the structure of a pyridine and this is the structure of a pyrrole. And also let's see another structure, that is pyrimidine, from which pyrrole is prepared. The structure of a pyrimidine is this is the structure of pyrimidine. This structure is equivalent as, or otherwise we can written as this structure as this. You can list this as structure or this structure as the pyrimidine structure. This structure is possible due to the resonance structure, resonance hybrid structure. These two are resonance hybrid structure. These are the basic structures of a pyrrole and pyridine and pyrimidine. Let's discuss about the synthesis of pyrrole. Let's discuss about the synthesis part. The first mechanism is the pyrrole is prepared from pyridine. How pyrrole is prepared from pyrimidine? From pyrimidine. The reaction is when pyrimidine is treated with aqueous hydrogen, means NH2 and heated continuously to form pyrrole, that is N bond NH. This is the structure of pyrrole. Let's see how pyrrole is prepared from pyrimidine. What are the mechanism of the preparation of? This is the structure of pyrimidine, and this is pyrazole. How? Let's see what are the synthesis of pyrazole from pyrimidine. Because the synthesis is too long, so I am omitting, I am erasing these structures. Let's see about the mechanism. About the mechanism part. From the mechanism, in the mechanism, what we are going to discuss now, how pyrazole is prepared from pyrimidine. This mechanism follows ANRORC rule. What is ANRORC rule? This mechanism is followed by ANRORC rule. What is ANRORC rule? The ANRORC means addition of nucleophile ring opening ring closure. Addition of nucleophile means first nucleophile is added, then ring opening is happened, means the total cyclic ring is opened into straight chain carbon or branch chain carbon. Next, then again ring closure is happened by the attack of nucleophilic addition. Ring closure is happened, and in the last part hydrogen is removed, then it forms pyrazole. Let's see about the mechanism. This takes time. This is the pyrimidine structure. Then here the first step is addition of nucleophile. Means nucleophile is added as NH2 hydrogen nucleophile added. So I am writing here nucleophilic addition reaction. मीन्स यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल एक जो कि हाइड्रोजन से निकलता है न्यूक्लियोफाइल वो ऐड होता है यहाँ पे pyrimidine रिंग में. ये जो यहाँ से जो हाइड्रोजन से कौन सा न्यूक्लियोफाइल ऐड होता है ना, द न्यूक्लियोफाइल इज HNNH2. दिस इज द न्यूक्लियोफाइल एडेड टू व्हिच पोजीशन ऑफ pyrimidine रिंग. कौन सा पोजीशन बेहतर होता है एडिशन करने के लिए, अटैक करने के लिए, जहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक होता है ना. यहाँ पे याद रखना, यहाँ पे 2 and 4 position are the best position to attack the nucleophilic addition. So we attack the nucleophile in the 2 position. That is, it forms 2 position forms major product. So that the nucleophile attack to the 2 position. So I am erasing these things. Here I attack the nucleophile into this position. If we attack this position, here the structure is H, means H bond NH2, that is hydrogen, means H plus ion attacks to nitrogen atom, and this nucleophile attacks to this carbon atom and forms a addition product, that is NH. This bond breaks. Here it forms NH2. This is N. This is, here is double bond. Here is a double bond. In the next step, a ring opening reaction started. Next is ring opening. As we followed from this rule, ring opening started. So what is ring opening? Means this bond electron pair moved towards this bond, and this bond moved toward this, and this bond toward this. This is the resonance structure. It does not affect the structure of the group. So this ring opening reaction started. It does not affect the molecular formula. The ring opening reaction started. Here see, यहाँ पे क्या होता है ना, ये जो रिंग ओपनिंग रिएक्शन होता है ये ऐसा वाला प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन करता है जो कि क्या फॉर्मेशन करेगा, मीन्स हियर इट फॉर्म्स NH2. This forms a double bond. This is a double bond, and I'm writing like this. This is a bond, nitrogen. Here this bond moves to this bond, and this is NH. This type of structure forms. When the ring opening reaction occurs, this type of structure is formed. So further, here this is another nitrogen atom having lone pair of electron. So this nucleophilic attacks this nitrogen atom attached to the carbon atom, sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and forms another ring closure reaction started. In this reaction, then ring क्लोजर इज हैपेंड. यहाँ पे रिंग क्लोजिंग होगा. यहाँ पे ओपन हो रहा था रिंग, हम रिंग को ओपन कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे रिंग फिर से क्लोज हो जाएगा. तो कैसे होगा, यहाँ पे जो नाइट्रोजन हैविंग लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट्स इट पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टू कार्बन आटम अटैक्स एंड फॉर्म्स ए साइक्लिक रिंग. So see the structure, how the structure is. NH bond NH2. This nitrogen attacks this carbon atom, and this nitrogen, this is a double bond, and here this double bond breaks, so that here it forms NH double bond NH. This structure is formed and it forms a cyclic ring. Then what happens now, when this pair of electron or this bond moves toward this bond, and this the nitrogen having two hydrogen atom, I am writing there is one hydrogen atom that attacks this bond, and this half of the nitrogen atom attacks to this bond to form a double bond. This type of structure is formed finally. See, this structure becomes, this bond is removed, means, and this hydrogen atom is removed, means it forms this bond, nitrogen, bond hydrogen, here is double bond, here nitrogen atom, then this one moves toward this bond, means it forms a double bond. Plus this totally atom is removed, means NH double bond NH2. This nitrogen atom attacks to a hydrogen atom, forms NH2. So this group is formed. This is the name of the pyrazole. From this is the mechanism of the pyrazole from pyrimidine. Second synthesis of pyrazole, that is norpyrazole synthesis. In the norpyrazole synthesis, when the carbonyl compound or the carbonyl derivatives undergoes acid catalyst as a catalyst, undergoes react with an acid as a catalyst, it forms the pyrazole derivative products, means it forms pyrazole. This ring is a pyrazole ring. It forms a pyrazole. Now see the how synthesized, how it is synthesized. ये कैसे इसका mechanism होता है, इसका mechanism क्या होता है. Let's see the mechanism. from this compound. This is the acid derivative. This synthesis is known as nor-pyrrole synthesis. Let's see its mechanism. This is the R C double bond O C double bond O R. We know that when a catalyst is added, acid catalyst is added to the group, carbonyl group, then the oxygen atom having lone pair of electron, here is 2 lone pair electrons, means 4 electron having oxygen atom. This attacks to the catalyst to form a substituted product. Let's see how it is formed. This happens in the presence of hydrogen. Hydrogen attacks to the oxygen atom. NH2. Acid catalyst means H plus medium. Then it forms the oxygen atom having lone pair electron attached to the H plus ion to form a OH group, C double bond O, OH, and other is as same as the structure. This is the structure. Next, the nucleophilic attack is happened, means NH2 is happened. Here the nitrogen having lone pair electron attacks to the carbon atom and forms R bond C bond OH bond NH2, and another hydrogen atom is attached to it. Like this, and other structure is as like as C double bond O R. This is the structure. Next, what happens? Also, by the rapid movement of a hydrogen atom during the attack of a nitrogen atom, we can write this structure as well as this structure R C bond OH2 bond NH2 C double bond O R. Means it happens, this process is tautomerizing process. Here we can attack the hydrogen atom, also attacks, moves to this group and forms OH2. See how next mechanism steps happen. After this group, I am writing this group again above. R bond C OH2 NH2 C double bond O R. Next is, as the hydrogen atom moves to this group, then the nitrogen atom gets positive charged, and then this positive atom attacks to this carbon nitrogen bond and forms a double bond where water is released. Means this forms, the structure is like this, RC double bond N bond NH2 C double bond O R. Here this oxygen atom also has lone pair electron, as we shown in first figure. This oxygen atom also has lone pair electron. Again, that oxygen atom attacks to the H plus ion, the lone pair electron attacks to form OH group. Means this forms R C double bond N bond NH C double bond OH bond R. This is the group form. Next, in the next step, See, this oxygen having another lone pair electron, so it gets positively charged, and the H plus ion are charged, so oxygen gets positively charged. And again, what happens? I am writing here. This nitrogen atom having lone pair electron that attack to the carbon atom to form a ring structure. Here this R C bond N double bond NH, and it attacks to the carbon atom like this to form a cyclic structure. You can write NH2 here, NH2. अभी देखो ठीक हो गया, यहाँ पे NH2 होगा। तो ये जो नाइट्रोजन का लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन था, ये कार्बन एटम को अटैक किया और जो डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक किया तो ये फॉर्मेशन हुआ। और जो डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक किया वो कहाँ पे जाके ब्रेक किया ना, ऑक्सीजन को दे दिया। वो ऑक्सीजन जो पॉजिटिव था ये यहाँ से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके यहाँ पे न्यूट्रल हो गया, वो OH बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन किया। और ये जो नाइट्रोजन लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन कार्बन को अटैक करके यहाँ पे एक बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन किया। तो उसके बाद क्या होगा ना, ये जो हाइड्रोजन एटम है क्या किसका है ना, यहाँ पे जो हाइड्रोजन एटम दो है नाइट्रोजन का, ये वाला एक, ये वाला एक, जो दो हाइड्रोजन एटम है, ये हाइड्रोजन एटम एक अटैक करेगा किसको ना, OH ग्रुप को फॉर्मेशन करेगा अटैक, जैसे यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन किया था। तो R C बॉन्ड N बॉन्ड NH C बॉन्ड R बॉन्ड OH2। सो यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन से आधा इलेक्ट्रॉन चला गया, हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो गया, मूवमेंट हो गया यहाँ से OH के पास, तो वाटर फॉर्मेशन हो गया। तो अभी नाइट्रोजन का एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो गया नाइट्रोजन। सो दिस नाइट्रोजन गिव्स बॉन्ड, यहाँ पे ये फॉर्मेशन करेगा डबल बॉन्ड और ये रिमूव कर जाएगा। तो क्या फॉर्मेशन करेगा उसके बाद ना, R बॉन्ड C डबल बॉन्ड NH, यहाँ पे N बॉन्ड NH, यहाँ पे R फॉर्मेशन करेगा, ऐसा फॉर्मेशन कर जाएगा। तो उसके बाद क्या होगा ना, ये जो वाटर है यहाँ पे, वाटर अगर अटैक करेगा, किसको अटैक करेगा ना, ये जो कार्बन एटम है, यहाँ पे जो कार्बन एटम है, यहाँ पे दिस एटम contains 2 hydrogen atoms. So if this group, water group attack to this, then this another, if this attack to this forms H3O plus ion, hydronium ion, and जो आधा वाला है वहाँ पे मूवमेंट हो जाएगा और ये यहाँ मूवमेंट हो जाएगा जहाँ पे ये न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा। तो ये क्या फॉर्मेशन करेगा एन में, ये क्या अभी फॉर्मेशन करेगा एन में ना, R बॉन्ड C बॉन्ड N बॉन्ड NH, C, यहाँ पे मैं डबल बॉन्ड मिस कर चुका हूँ, अच्छा ठीक है अभी ठीक हो गया, बॉन्ड C, यहाँ पे ये डबल बॉन्ड हो जाएगा, ये मूवमेंट हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे ये डबल बॉन्ड हो जाएगा, ये हो गया R, और ये टोटल हो गया एक पायराजोल रिंग। ये जो मैकेनिज्म है थोड़ी बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, इसको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा और बीट बाय बीट समझना पड़ेगा। अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आता है तो आप जो भी पार्ट समझ नहीं आता है आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, नहीं तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके अपना जो भी डाउट है वहाँ पे लिख सकते हो, बेफिक्र लिख सकते हो। मैं आपका डाउट क्लियर करने के लिए ट्राई करूँगा कि अगले वीडियो में डाउट क्लियर कर चुकूँ, अदर एग्जाम्पल दे के मैं डाउट क्लियर करने के लिए ट्राई करूँगा। तो ये था सेकेंड वाला mechanism of synthesis. Let's see the third synthesis of a pyrazole. This is prepared from nitrile amines. Nitrile imines means the alkynes group that attach to the nitrogen azo group that forms nitrile imines. This synthesis of a pyrrole is occurred by the dipolar cycloadditions. Means the polar group means the carbon atom having the pole, the bond position, this polar attack of the groups that forms dipolar attacks. When the two dipoles are attacked to each other to form a cyclic ring, dipolar cycloaddition this forms. And here this is the alkyne group and this is the imine group that forms the pyrazole. This is the pyrazole ring, and here these are the 4 alkyl groups R1, R2, R3, R4. How this mechanism occur? Let's see about this, the mechanism of this part. Mechanism. The first is I am taking R3C triple bond C bond R4, and the next one, this is the alkyne group, and next one is R2 bond C triple bond N bond N R1. Here nitrogen gets positive charge and here nitrogen gets negative charge. The dipole, in the dipolar cycloaddition, how cyclic group is formed? See, when this bond is break, carbon-carbon bond breaks, means this attacks to the carbon atom of this bond. Then what for? Now this bond breaks down and attacks to nitrogen atom. And again, the nitrogen atom having negative electron attacks to this group, then it forms a cyclic ring between this carbon atom and this nitrogen atom and this carbon atom and this carbon atom. Let's see the structure. I am writing this carbon atom joined. So I am joining this carbon atom bond this carbon atom. When this bond electron is attached to this electron, it forms a bond like this. I am forming this one carbon-carbon bond. Here the carbon atom, here R3 group is attached to this carbon, here R2 group is attached to this carbon, and here is the double bond between carbon and carbon atom. Next, there is an alkyl group R4, and this carbon atom forms a bond with this N, means here N, and this R1 group is attached to this nitrogen atom. This nitrogen atom is attached to this nitrogen atom, and here the triple bond, from triple bond one bond breaks and nitrogen gets double and it forms double bond between carbon and nitrogen. So this is a ring of a pyrazole. This is a ring of a pyrazole. So these three are the important mechanism and synthesis of a pyrazole. So go through all these three mechanisms and carefully see this, watch this video and understand everything. काइंडली ये वीडियो को देखकर बीट बाय बीट समझने के लिए ट्राई करो. अगर नहीं होता है तो कमेंट बॉक्स पे लिखो कहाँ पे आपको समझ नहीं आता. उसके बाद और एक वीडियो में बताऊंगा कैसे होता है. नहीं तो मुझे कांटेक्ट करने के लिए ट्राई करो. So this video is all about the mechanism and synthesis of pyrazole. Thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all of you. Stay home, stay safe.